G'day guys, Dan Moore here, coming live from Sydney, Australia, from the Rad Pad, our humble abode. Guys, it's not every day that I make a techie style video, but I do love my travel tech. The smaller it is, the more powerful it is, the more I use it. So when Samsung hooked me up with the new S10 Plus, by the way, this phone is absolutely insane, I thought I had to share it with you guys. And not share it from like a tech point of view where I'm going to show you all the specs and ins and outs of the phone. There'll be so many videos out there showing you that. I'm going to show you the features that I love on this phone from a content creator's point of view. There's so many people out there that are creating content, they're using phones, they're using all different kind of cameras. This thing almost does everything for you. I'm going to show you why. This phone is absolutely ridiculous. Look how sexy and sleek it looks. Let's have a look inside this and I'll show you the features that absolutely stand out to me, and I think you love it as well. So let's check this out. Flick it off first of all. You'll see there's no button on here. It's absolutely crisp as, which is so nice. So it's actually got an inbuilt finger scanner. So you just run your finger at the bottom and we are in business. All right, let's have a look inside this camera section here. This is my favorite. So you'll see there's three options in here now. There's the normal mode that we're in right now. We have the zoom. Go back to the normal and check this out. Wide angle. Look how much coverage that has. That is absolutely unbelievable. So cool for actually getting it there and fitting so much more into your scenery. But that's not all. So you'll see down here, there's a button for Instagram. Boom. Look at it, opens up full screen. So this is like story mode. So you got access to all three cameras again. So you've got the wide angle, which looks so sick. I can't wait to actually start using this in my stories. But you can actually just start clicking in here. It's recording exactly like Instagram. Zoom in and out, just like you're doing your normal story. Let go and watch this. Boom. Opens up in Instagram automatically. So you can actually add your filters, you can start drawing on here, and then boom, send that straight to Instagram. So let's get out of here. Done. Done. All right. That's not all. So you can actually do photos as well in there and send that straight through to Instagram. So it's actually so much faster to just access your camera mode now to send everything to Instagram, instead of going into Instagram, doing some stuff there and go, oh no, I want to do some photography, go into the photo. You actually access it all through that camera app area now. Yeah, and that's not all. When you go into your photo gallery, choose one of your favorite photos, you'll see down here, there's an Instagram button right down here. Boom. Open this up and it says you can actually choose feed or story. So let's add this to our story. Opens up Instagram automatically. So we're just gone from our photo gallery now into Instagram. We can enlarge this, add your favorite filter to it, start drawing and send this straight to your story. So it's a game changer. It's speeding up the process so fast. So we've got access to Instagram via the camera app itself, as well as via the gallery. So sick. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed my creative take on the new Samsung S10 Plus. I am loving this phone. If you're a creative, an influencer, someone uploading to Instagram all the time, you will love this phone. You get the full kit of lenses while uploading to Instagram seamlessly. It is so cool. This phone is made for Instagram. Guys, feel free to check out my Instagram channel at Dan Moore. Have the most amazing day. Adios.